Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Dial the Access Bank Ussd code *901# from your phone to begin. The menu opens immediately and lists simple options to choose. Select Register or Create Account from the menu to proceed. Enter your 10-digit account number when prompted for identification. Choose a strong 4-digit PIN that you can remember. Confirm the PIN by retyping it as the menu instructs. Registration completes when you receive a confirmation message on your phone. Check your balance instantly by selecting Balance Inquiry after dialing *901#. To send money, choose Transfer from the main menu and follow prompts. Enter the recipient account number, bank name if required, and the transfer amount. Confirm each transfer by entering your 4-digit PIN when prompted. Buy airtime or data by selecting Recharge, input the amount, and confirm with your PIN. You can also pay bills and buy prepaid services directly via the menu options. Never share your 4-digit PIN or any OTP with anyone for security reasons. If you suspect compromise, change your PIN immediately using the Change PIN menu option. If the menu does not respond, ensure your SIM is active and has network signal before retrying. Cancel any incorrect transaction as soon as you notice it, and contact Access Bank customer support for reversal help. Keep your phone software updated and avoid using public Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.